Who is that, Chris?
Kaya.
Kaya. Hey, Kaya.
Hey, Daddy.
What?
Videotape me.
Why?
Because.
Don't.
Videotape
Jason?
me.
Okay. Oh, yeah, you're a real ham, huh?
Yeah.
Hi, Jace. How's it going?
Sometimes I got grease all over me. It's on my face.
Oh, really?
Where'd you get it?
Kaya. Hi.
Where'd you get it?
See it all over my thumb?
Excuse me.
Feel that?
You're very rude. You don't videotape Kaya.
Yes.
Videotape Kaya.
Have to, otherwise Jennifer will get mad at me.
I want to tell you a show. I want to do a show.
No, we're not doing a show, okay?
Okay, do a show.
No. Kaya, what do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I'll bet.
I want a show. Kaya, look. The video camera.
No, don't push your head.
What?
Kaya. Over here. Come over here, Chris. Hi. Oh, what do you see? What do you see? What do you see? Do you see Daddy? Dad. Do you see Daddy?
Can I video
Huh? Yeah. Here. Honey, what's the matter? Here. Want this?
Can I try it?
Alright.
Can I
Whoops.
look
Oh,
at it?
gosh. Uncle Neil bashes her in the head. You want to try it? Okay. Can you hold it? Dad. Here you go.
Thanks, Steve.
What you doing? Zoom in. Ah.
Okay, Chris, come back here. This is not an adventure. Okay, put her on her stomach. I want to see her like roll around and stuff. Come on, do your tricks. Do your tricks. Okay. What do you see? What do you see? Roll over. Roll over. Come on. Go. Hand it, sweetheart.
Kaya.
Come on. Go get it. You see the kid.
Kaya's right here.
Do it again, and I'll spank your bottom.
Okay.
Okay. Kaya, what do you see? Gung.
Dun, 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 dun.
What you doing? She's tired. I forget this.